Now we have drafts or draughts. Okay, what are drafts or draughts? So, for movement of any fluid, whether it is the liquid or gas, from its movement from one place to other place, we need difference of pressure. So, this difference of pressure column is nothing but our drafts or draughts. So this difference of pressure for maintaining a constant flow of air or discharging the gases through the chimney to the atmosphere is known as the draft. So drafts are produced by raising the combustion gases in the stack flue or by mechanical means. A blower can be put into the four categories. That is, the required difference of pressure will be created either naturally, so then the draft will be called as natural draft. So it may will be induced. So in that case, it is induced draft. So if the difference of pressure is created forcibly, so that is forced draft. So then we have the balanced draft. So the difference of pressure will be created using four means. So natural, induced, balanced, and forced. So natural draft, when the air or the hot gases flow uh, uh, will take its flow taking place due to the difference in the density of the hot gas. So the gas at the high temperature and pressure, its density is naturally less than the gas which is a cooler one. So this difference in the density will create the pressure difference. So that pressure difference created will allow the hot gas to flow from one place to the other place, to the place where in which the pressure is less. Then forced draft, when the air flow or the hot gas flow are maintained above atmospheric pressure. So normally it is done with the help of the forced draft fan. So that is the air flow or the hot gas flow will be taking place with the help of the forced draft fan. So that is here you can see the first one on the left side. We have the forced draft. So we have the blower situated near the boiler. So the air required here will be forcibly blown into the boiler with the help of this blower. So that's why it is called as the forced draft. So if you see this forced draft. So then we have induced the draft. So that is the air or the hot gas flow under the effect of gradually decreasing pressure below the atmospheric pressure. So that is here the blower is situated near the chimney, but in the forced draft the blower is situated near the boiler, whereas in the chimney, so the blower is situated near the chimney. So the blower will extract the hot gas from the boiler, so that the pressure inside the boiler getting reduced, so that the air from the surrounding will get enter into the boiler. So that means here the pressure difference is created because of the induced draft. So here the blower which is situated near the chimney, so will extract the hot gas. So that hot gas will be finally passed to the chimney, and through this chimney it will be allowed to escape into the atmosphere. So balance the draft. So it is the combination of the forced draft and the induced draft. So here we have the forced draft fan situated near the boiler, whereas induced draft fan situated near the chimney. So the high pressure air inside the furnace will try to blow out suddenly, so that there is every chance of blowing out the fire completely and the furnace is stopping functioning if you use forced draft alone. So that is the high pressure air inside the furnace will try to blow out suddenly. The cold air will try to rush into the furnace as the pressure inside the furnace is below atmospheric pressure. So this reduces the effective draft and dilutes the combustion process if you are using the induced draft alone.